Welcome back to part two. We are going to talk about how to import a course into your empty shell. So we've already renamed our courses. We have all of those names identified with the people that are in our courses to the right homeroom. Now for part two. In our dashboard, we are going to import our course content from Commons, but we have to make sure that we're going into the right course. So I'm going to scroll down here and identify, aha, this is the course that I want to now make sure gets the kindergarten art content. I'm going to select the hyperlink and it's going to pull me into this empty shell. Once I have the empty shell, I want to import my content. Over here it's pretty simple. It says import from Commons. I'm going to select that Commons button. You're going to see the library. So I'm going to go ahead and just filter out all that stuff because this is nationwide shared in a library, and I am going to change that to make sure it's just Des Moines. So going over to my filter, I'm going to then go underneath kindergarten is what I'm looking for, or the first grade class. This is K1. Now I can scroll down on here and it's going to say Des Moines Public Schools. All right. So the filter result, it's going to come up with a tile. When you see on here that it has the blue and yellow squared tile, this also tile is very similar to what the students have seen from our previous Canvas course. We have now found Kindergarten Art Q2. So I'm going to select it. I found it, and I'm going to select Import. As I go into the import, select here, I'm now going to see all of my courses. With all of these courses, I'm going to see my renaming courses as well. Now these ones I didn't rename all for Kayla because she can do that as well, but I did do this first one. It says 00 art. Remember that important part that I had said, making sure that we had those all in a line? This is going to really help that organization so that you can see this one specifically is for Miss Davenport's class, and it is kindergarten. So I'm going to select that. I'm going to import into course. And now you get this common message of you successfully started the import. Woohoo! It may take a while. Just so you know, it averages anywhere depending on the amount of gigabytes that are in there, amount of videos. It can go anywhere from 8 minutes, 2 minutes to even a half an hour. So just be patient. And you can actually select all of those imports for all your kindergarten classes and then go back into the Commons and do all your first grade classes, all of your second grade, and so on. So then, hopefully, by the time that I've given enough wait time, your content will show up in your shell. So how do I check to make sure that my content is in there? I'm going to go back into my dashboard. I'm going to find Miss Davenport's class. You can see again, these are all my published courses, and these are not published yet, because you will have to definitely go back and publish, which is really easy, that publish button. Going to select, it looks like nothing's in there. However, I know something is going. Oh, not my progress, that would be my student's progress. So how do I check to see if something's going in? Oh, here it starts. You can see that all of my content is getting in there as we speak. So that is your part two, how to put your content into your shell.